Hey everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama. I saw this blue beauty out in the parking lot, and I thought, man, the front of this really looks like a house. If you did not know it was a single wide and you were just focusing on the front door, I mean, we've got a 6-foot dormer over the door, and I think that's really neat. And I also knew right away when I saw all the windows that this home is either a Maplecrest or a Newland. And I happen to be working with my friend Tracy to design her home, and she wanted me to find an alternate kitchen because there is an optional kitchen, and here it is, delivered right to me. It's so amazing how that works. But anyways, I can tell right away we've got a package on this because we got the pier savers. The shutters are looking pretty good too. And we offer a package one. It's $2,700, guys. And it's a really great package. It's got a lot of things that you're gonna need in it. A lot of cosmetic things, dishwasher, all kinds of stuff. So anyways, if you can ever have the ability to just do some of our packages, we've already thought it through for you guys. And we know pretty much in those packages what options are perfect to have. And remember, I am the Mobile Home Mama. And if you would like me to design your home, please specifically tell me that, especially if you stop by. Coming inside, I came actually into the second door, what would normally be the back door, but we did a reverse aisle. So I'm gonna go over here and stand in the corner of the living room so that you guys can get a view. What's perfect about this floor plan when you do that optional kitchen is you get all these windows. It really just brightens it up. Not to mention the colors that this customer has chosen. Casper cashmere on the wall. That's our standard VOG, which is vinyl over gypsum. Another word for paneling, but we really can't use the words of the past, right? The T word and paneling, because they've really come a long way, but it's called VOG now. Anyways, that's the technical term for it. So window. Let's head back this way because I noticed that they also put a window in the hallway, and I think that's just an excellent idea, especially when you have, I don't know, what, 10, 15-foot hallway right here, 12-foot hallway. It's nice to put some brightness and also some air to flow through that hallway. Here's bedroom 2. And let me get a view of the closet. Typical closet in a secondary bedroom. We've got Nordic white on the floor. Standard white trim, not too bad. I don't mind the standard white trim. Here's the second bath. Hey guys, glacier quartzite on the countertop and a laminate backsplash. I always try to point these things out for you guys. Here's bedroom number 3. And this bedroom is a little longer than the other one. The other one's more square. This one is longer. Here's the closet for bedroom 3. All right, heading back towards the other end of the home. This customer has added an accent wall, and I dig the accent walls. I think they're cute. We do it in a brick pattern as well. This is a sink in the island, so the island has to be included whenever we're gonna put the sink in it because we gotta have a place to put the sink anyways. Standard appliances. Did a gas appliance, kept the standard fridge. Remember I told you the dishwasher was part of that package. Also, another thing part of that package, the staggered cabinets. The neat thing about adding this optional kitchen also is you got a little space over here for some kind of hutch or whatever with an electrical plug-in, but the utility room is tucked away behind this door. So if you have people over, unless they know you really well, I can't imagine they're gonna just come and open this door unless they think it's a bathroom or something, but laundry room's tucked away back here. Added the washer dryer cabinets. There's your water heater and your panel box. 100 amp service in this home. 200 amp is always available in a single wide, but this little nook right here would be perfect, I would think, to add some shelves in for a little pantry, a little hidden pantry, actually. So coming back towards the primary bedroom, you do have the furnace here, and I think I mentioned this is an optional reverse aisle, both doors on the same side. Here's the primary bedroom, and whoa mama, it's a big one. They took the accent wall on the window side. I don't see that very often, but they did it, and it looks great. And they continued that on into their primary closet. Nice size closet as well. And I love what they did with the bathroom. They put the dual sinks in. This is an optional bathroom with the bank of drawers here. And then 3 bulb light strips up there. Those are standard features. You're gonna find that in every home. And then just went with the tub shower combination. So Tracy, if you're watching, you wanted to know in relation to how the bedroom was situated, how that optional kitchen would affect it. So I'm gonna go back through this one more time. Optional kitchen, and what's different about it, you're gonna see the kitchen at a slant with an island, and behind the slanted kitchen, we're gonna tuck away the washer dryer and also the panel box and a little nook for a pantry. But in relation to the bedroom, primary bedroom, right off of that optional kitchen. Only enough hallway here to put a furnace in, so a very short hallway to the primary bedroom with your closet and your primary bath. Now, Tracy's gonna drywall her home, so I can't wait to show you guys that one. Anyways, here we are. This can happen in the Newland. This can happen in the Maplecrest, that optional kitchen. But the best part, I know I'm going back over some things over and over, but all these windows. Not very often can we see our cranes pick up sidewalls like this with this many openings, but in the case of this home, it can happen. So there you have it, folks. I'm the Mobile Home Mama. Please remember to mention my name and let me design your house. I'll put some groceries in your refrigerator. I'm excited to meet you. Come hang out with me and Brittany. We'll get some tacos. And I hope you all are having an awesome blast this summer. We'll see you soon.